Two sets for the CM in favor of the name of Shyam Borlang Ranja as CM, and in one set nominated to Sri Tuba Strong Pilar Kharchana as chairman. So after scrutinize, all they are in order and accepted.
So since there is no opposition,
Since there is no other contestant, means they will be elected uncontested.
both the CEM
CM and the chairman. Both the CM and the chairman. For the chairman, only one set has been proposed, but for the CM, two sets. But both the names will pass. All the names are in order.
Who proposed the name of chairman?
The name of chairman proposed by Mr. Say Borlang Warba. Sorry, proposed by Mr. Winston Tony Lengdo, and seconded by Say Borlang Warba for the chairman.
The CEM.
And for
And for the CM in one set, proposed by Shri Kit Borlang CM and seconded by Shri Densil Renat Chen. In another set, proposed by Shri Paul Soklet and seconded by Shri Edison Karamnuan.